Hello, welcome to the Silk Walk Studio. So today we have a collection less than 2500. So if you are there in our live watching us, please let us know. Please give us your likes and your hearts, and please let me know if I'm audible so that we can start with the show in a couple of minutes. We'll wait for just 2 more minutes for people to join, and then we can see today's collection. We have a beautiful pastel collection today of sarees. As I told you, all of them less than 2500. We also have a few Mangalagiri cotton and silk cotton sarees. The cotton ones are really very pretty, and that's a new collection that we have brought. And as well, the silk cottons are we have just a few sarees which we had already seen, Mangalagiri silk cottons. So if you are there in today's live, please let us know.
Darshini, Sweta, Vigneshwari, Anjali said hi.
Hi Darshini, hi Vigneshwari,
Prasida
hi
also said
Shweta. Please continue, please stay on our live. We just have very few sarees.
Lavi said you have such amazing collection.
Thank you, Lavina. Thank you.
Anusha Madanraj says,
Hi, Anusha.
Joe, good evening.
Hi, good evening. Anusha, I have a beautiful collection of Mangalagiri cotton sarees which are very good for office wear. They are going to be very, very elegant and really great for summer. So if you are there, please stay tuned. So shall we start? Are there quite a good number of people watching? Okay. So very quickly, I'm just going to take you through a few sarees which are all of pastel shades, very, very pretty, and the price is 2200. So we have seen this saree earlier. It was worn by one of my brides from Kerala. So she had taken this silver saree for her to be her bridal saree. So it's such pretty, very, very soft, and you can see full Banaras work but lightweight. Okay, very, very light in weight and in texture. That's the pallu. It comes with a blouse. Okay, it comes with a brocade work blouse of the same material, same fabric and same color. So if you want, you can use this, or if you want a contrast blouse, then you can very well go for it. So it's a very beautiful saree. You can see the drape, the fall, it is very, very nice. 2200 is the price.
Shweta says, was waiting for your live.
Thank you, Shweta. Thank you for joining. So the next one, we have a mint shade. All are pastel shades, okay? Same design. We have got them dyed in different colors, and all of them are pastel colors. Okay, so how do you buy the sarees? Buy them from our website, www.thesilkwalkstudio.com. That's the blouse. You can check them under Banaras.
What is the material?
Semi Banaras. So I told you, check under Banaras category. Okay, so this is a beautiful blue shade. I have done these sarees for one of my bride, for her bridesmaid. We had sent about 10 or 15 of them to Malaysia. So a lot of people were asking, and that's why we had to bring the collection for you all. So we had dyed in different colors. Check out the colors in order. We have multiple pieces, and if you are a bride looking for yourself or for your bridesmaid, then I think this is one such saree, because we get them in multiple numbers. Message us at 7676 025 364. So this is in a yellow, light yellow, beautiful it is.
This is a semi-Banaras
Yeah,
saree.
it's a semi-Banaras, very soft, flowy. That's the pallu. That's the blouse. 2200 is the price. Suppose the sarees go stock out on our website, please do message us to find out if it is available.
The price of these sarees are 2200.
This one's in a pink shade. It's a beautiful color. That's the pallu. Blouse.
ఇది ఎన్న సారీ యొక్క టోటల్
Semi Banaras ma. We have one in white. It's very, very beautiful.
semi bananas price 2200.
2200. White. Very, very soft. This is a different material. Fabric is soft. And this one is in a light peach. Last of the semi Banaras. Peach.
Indian rupees or
Indian rupees. Where are our rupees? That's the blouse.
Legit Malaysia.
The next set we have some beautiful Mangalagiri cotton sarees. Okay, as I told you, they are priced at 1350. This is a new collection from our Mangalagiri weavers. So this is a simple cotton saree. It's a cotton saree, and I just love this color. So it's in a sort of a turquoise shade with checks. Okay, checks is not that very visible. That's the pallu. Comes with a contrast blouse. Okay, 1350. Very, very soft and easy drape.
Anjali says hi.
Hi Anjali. So we have beautiful collection. As I told you, 1350 is the price of this set of sarees. Cotton, handloom cottons.
Is it 100% cotton or
Yes,
is there any other
100%
material?
handloom cotton. That's the pallu. So I'll open and show you this. This is also one pretty color, yellow.
The collections are very gorgeous.
Thank you. In the Madri sarees, if you're wearing for office, super இருக்கும். Especially doctors, பெரிய பொசிஷன்ஸ்ல இருக்கவங்கலாம் இந்த மாதிரி sarees கட்டி பார்க்கலாம் நம்ம. Like checked. அவங்கலாம் அந்த மாதிரி தான் prefer பண்ணுவாங்க. That's the pallu.
Will you ship to Malaysia?
Yes, we ship. We ship international. The next one, it's in a blue shade. So 1350 is the price. Okay. So it's beautiful blue with a contrast green sort of a color. That's the blouse. 1350. So you can see, right, how the fabric is soft. Cotton la handloom cottons இந்த மாதிரி soft-ஆ இருக்கும்.
இது உங்க ட்ரெஸ் மாதிரியே தான் இருக்கு.
ஆமால. எனக்கு இதுதான் ஆக்சுவலாக ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருந்தது இந்த செட். இதுவும் அந்த ஒரு டீ ஷேட் எடுத்தோம். So beautiful it is. Black and white. இதெல்லாம் போட கெத்தா இருக்கும். Pallu, blouse. It's a grey sort of a color. Okay, so we have 4 more sarees for today's video. Again, Mangalagiri silk cotton, handloom silk cotton saree, which is priced at 2450.
Nayana says beauty.
Thank you, Naina. So this is one shade, a beautiful color. So this saree, எப்போ போட்டாலும் கிடுகிடுன்னு ஓடிடுது. So it has a double border, like a border, we call it as a Ganga Jamuna border, one color on one border and the other, there's another color on the other border. So this is an onion pink sort of a shade, and this is sort of a golden beige color. Comes with a contrast pallu, blouse. Where do you find the sarees? Find under the Mangalagiri section. Okay, now website address is thesilkwalkstudio.com. Okay, next one again, my favorite, black and white.
The price of these sarees are 2450.
So we have white border, grey border on the other side. That's the pallu. That's the blouse. Black. Okay.
Akshaya says gorgeous sarees.
Thank you, Akshaya. சரி இந்த சாரி இப்போ வேகமாக போயிடும் I know because this is one of the most sought colors of Mangalagiri. So all of these sarees we have already uploaded on our website. Today we have kept everything ready, guys. So if you all want to book, you can go directly to our website and do the booking. So we have a yellow. It's a dual shade of yellow and a blue shade. This is the pallu. That's the blouse.
Priyanka says hello.
Hi Priyanka. Thank you for joining, guys. I know weekday, but still we had to bring new collection because again people are getting ready for the next season in India. That's why a lot of you all were asking for new collection. That is why we have brought.
Nilima says beautiful.
Hi Nilima, thank you. So another favorite color. So it's an ivory with a light baby pink. That's the pallu in a dark rose shade. That's the blouse.
Why in so much hurry today, Joanna?
Yaar paadu.
Peek to my kitchen.
Yeah, I know I was rushing today a bit. ஏன்னா எனக்கு அதுக்கு இது முடிஞ்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் எனக்கு ஒரு வேலை இருக்காது. கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டீங்க பரவாயில்ல. 2450 is the price. புரிஞ்சா சரி video, if the video was clear and if I've done my part well, then it's good.
Arushi says even I was about to ask the same. Are these Mangalagiri
Yeah,
silk cotton?
Mangalagiri silk cotton sarees. So yeah, any other queries, questions, please do let us know. We've come to the end of the show. This week we will be bringing more of collection of silk sarees also, so please stay tuned. Any other questions, let us know. And how to buy the sarees, log on to our website thesilkwalkstudio.com. Okay, so Mangalagiri sarees find under the Mangalagiri section. Banaras sarees find under the Banaras section.
Love the way you and daughter play a vital role in live streams as well as back end.
Thank you. Thank you.
Credit to me and law.
Okay. Okay. So we do it as a family. It's a whole. It's a teamwork, family work.
These are Mangalagiri silk cotton.
Yeah, Mangalagiri cottons. We also displayed Mangalagiri silk cottons. We also showed Banaras. So if you had joined the video, the live little late, please do watch it from the beginning. We have beautiful collection today, and I'm sure everybody would like it. They're all priced less than 2,500 rupees. Okay. So thank you so much. Thank you for joining today's live. Until next time, see you. Bye bye.